In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Airtable extensions. If you want to expand what your Airtable base can do, extensions are a great place to start. They let you add extra tools and functionality directly inside your workspace, which can help with organization, reporting, visualization, and overall productivity. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the simple process of finding and adding an extension to your Airtable base. To begin, open your Airtable base and look to the upper right area of the screen. You'll see the Tools option there. Go ahead and click on Tools. This is where Airtable groups together additional features and utilities that you can use alongside your base. If you don't usually explore this menu, it's worth becoming familiar with it, because many helpful features are located here. Once the Tools menu opens, click on Extensions. This will take you into the section where Airtable manages add-on tools for your base. Extensions are designed to help you work with your data in different ways, so depending on your needs, you might find options for charts, summaries, advanced views, or workflow support. At this stage, you're simply entering the area where those tools are available. After that, click on Add an Extension. This opens the extension library so you can browse what's available for your base. Take a moment here to look through the options carefully. Different extensions serve different purposes, so it helps to choose one that matches the task you're trying to accomplish. If you already know what you need, you can select it right away. If not, reading the names and descriptions can help you decide. Next, select the extension you want and click Add. This is the step that installs the extension into your Airtable base. Once you do that, Airtable will add the tool to your workspace so you can start using it. Depending on the extension, you may be asked to complete a little setup afterward, such as choosing a table, selecting fields, or adjusting display settings. That part can vary, but the process of adding the extension always begins the same way. And that's it. That's how to use Airtable extensions by opening the Tools menu, going into Extensions, choosing Add an Extension, and then selecting the one you want to add. If you're new to Airtable, this is a great way to make your base more powerful without changing your core data structure. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.